In this video, I will tell everything about the distance time graph. Okay, it will help you to understand everything easily. So, from distance time graph or any motion graph, you can find two things. Okay, gradient, or gradient is also called slope. And second is area under the curve. Okay, now first, distance time graph. Can you see this graph? This is a graph of a cycle or car moving on a road. This is time axis. This is distance axis on y axis. Okay, so this graph shows how the position or speed of the car is changing. Okay, now starting from the rest car from O to A point. O to A, how you will find the slope? Slope is the nothing but quantity on y axis and quantity on x axis. So on y axis there is distance, okay, and on x axis there is time. Okay, so distance is 20 meter and time is 2 seconds. So 20 upon 2, 10 meter per second. It means the car from O to A moving with 10 meter per second uniform velocity. Okay, so graph is straight line, so velocity is uniform. Okay, so it means the the slope of a position time graph will give you the velocity. You know this thing. Okay, so you can find the velocity. Now from A to B, you can see no changing with time. It means speed is not changing with time. It means the car is at rest. It's stationary. Okay, now from B to C, you can see that speed is increasing. If speed is increasing with time, then acceleration is produced. So there will be acceleration. And from D to C, C to D. And here the slope CD, speed is decreasing. So there is deceleration, or you can say retardation, okay, or negative acceleration. Okay, now in this way you can find the slope. Now if someone asks what will be the speed at point B, okay, how you can find the speed at point B? Here you have found by the formula slope, here is rest, but this is slight change at this point B, it's changing. So how you can find? Then what you can do, at point B you can draw a tangent. Can you see this tangent? Okay, at 8 second at E point. Okay, in front of 8 second on this graph at E point, draw a tangent. Okay, I have given this the name DEF. This is a tangent. Okay, now from this tangent draw a line on y axis and on x axis. Okay, it means on time axis and on distance axis. Okay, now this will show the change in distance and change in time. Okay, so speed at 8th second will be, you can find by the formula change in distance upon change in time. Okay, then change in distance you can count from here to here, it's 12 meter, and the time 6 to 9 second is 6 to 9 is 3 second. It means if you will divide, 4 meter per second will be the speed at 8 second. Understood? So if there is a slight curve that at this point, you can say it instantaneous speed. Okay, so in this way you can find speed at point E. Now you know how to find the slope for the distance time graph. Okay, now second, area. Area under the curve. For distance time graph we cannot find area under the curve. Why? Because area under the curve is given by multiplication of y-axis quantity and an x-axis quantity. At y-axis there is distance, at x-axis there is time. Okay, so area will be distance into time. Distance unit is meter, time unit is second. Okay, but area is not meter into second, area is meter square beta. Okay, so this is not right. No standard physical quantity. Area can never be meter times second. Okay, so it doesn't exist. So that's why we cannot find area under the curve for distance time graph. Hope you like the video. If